welcome back to my new video. A lot of people probably know that I have been having a feel to show off my forehead. I used to have straight bands. It's like this. Straight bands. I still like it. And in the past videos, a few people said I look better with side bands. So here is side bands. I like side bands too. It's also really cute. My mom, my husband, and some of you also suggest me to try without bands. So in this video, I'm going to try out a hairstyle has no bands. I have talked about the reason why I prefer bands before, because I have a big forehead and also my forehead skin is not as good as my cheeks. If I have a close-up, you can see the pores. This is because when I was a teenager, I had pimples on my forehead, and that caused my forehead skin is not as good as the rest of skin. And I also thought about it's cuter to have straight bands, but now I think it's cute to have side bands. Maybe it's cute to have no bands as well. So this is the wig I'm going to try out in this video. I received this wig for free from Ft.Elfwigs.com, and the link is in the description box. The coupon is Yùmǐ and the coupon amount is $15. In this box, it contains a wig and a hair brush and also wig cap. The one I choose is purple wavy hair. The color purple looks very natural. It doesn't look fake at all. This is a very natural purple color and the quality is pretty good. It doesn't feel plastic. It looks like real hair and it's not easy to get tangled. Look, it's very smooth. And the front is different than the other wigs because in the front it's got the nude color net, so it looks more natural. This is how the wig looks in the front. It looks pretty natural. It looks pretty natural, right? I hope I will look good without bands. And the wig cap is also very soft and it's elastic. I got it. I need to cut off the lace part. Yes, I need to. So when you cut the lace, make sure you will not cut off the baby hair. This is the piece I cut off. On this top, it looks like my real hair. So on the forehead, it looks like my real hair, right? It looks quite natural. What do you think? Maybe a cute hairstyle will make the wig even look better. I really love it. And I'm looking not bad without the bands. I like to have two pieces of hair on the side. A little bit like this. A little bit. And maybe I can make a cute hairstyle. Let me try the no pigtails and just see how it looks. It's looking really cute. I really love it. I look like a different girl. And if I add accessory, it'll be, oh, that's very cute, so cute. I'm quite surprised that I look not bad without my bands. It looks really cute, really cute. I should wear the wig and go outside. It's looking really good and it looks very natural. It looks good and it's quite comfortable so far. This wig is very comfortable to wear. It really stays on my head and I don't really need to worry about it'll fall or something. Very comfortable and suit me. Mistake, I actually made a mistake, which is I should not cut the lace around this part. You see my hair is showing. That's because I cut off too much lace. So I made a mistake. It had lace like around here. So when you cut your lace, you just cut the lace like up here. So this part looks very natural. Look, just looks like your real hair. This wig was perfect and it looks very real, but I ruined this part. Let me try if I braid this part. I can't believe I'm looking not bad without bands. It's also very cute if the hair look like that. I'm very satisfied to the wig and I'm very satisfied to the hairstyle. So this hairstyle looks sweet and cute and also very pretty. I'm actually very shocked at this look. I just can't believe it. I'm looking not bad in this look. My mom really has been suggesting me to try out like no bands, and a few of my viewers. And I didn't realize which hairstyle suits me when I picked out this wig from the website. I actually didn't expect I would look really good in this wig. I'm very happy to the result and I'm very satisfied to this look. I really love the color and the length just right. Yeah, I should go out with this look. I don't think I would dye my hair because I never had my hair dyed before, so I'm concerned. Wow, maybe I'll look better with long lashes, and also I'll look better after I had my teeth fixed. I have been seeing some comments that people talking about my teeth. Don't worry about it because it's on my list to have my teeth get fixed. I think I will look even better. Bye bye, I will see you in the next video soon. And the discount code for this wig is in the description box. Check it out if you are interested. I'm very satisfied this wig. Goodbye.